about task manager on Chrome, Google Chrome. Yeah, it's important for use Chrome. You can know about task manager because when you open a website or your website, YouTube, Facebook, you can understand about the processing of use memory or CPUs on Chrome application. Okay, now if you want to go task manager on Chrome, you can click on this and more tools and task manager. You can press shortcut on keyboard Shift plus Escape. Okay, you can see yes processing of your Chrome and GPU process like memory footprint, CPU, network, or process ID. Okay, when I open, example, I will open Facebook. We open Facebook. It will show processing of Facebook on this. Use memory, use CPU, and you can open YouTube, open your website that you want to open. Okay, now I open this. It will show use Facebook, use memory, CPU, network. YouTube use and sort by CPU, high to lows or low to highs. Okay, sort by name, sort by use memory, sort by use CPU, networks, or process ID. Okay, right now, if you want to end process your website that you want to end process, it slow your Chrome or slow your PC when you use Chrome with this website. You can click on your website that you want to end process and click end process. It will show you like this snap. Yeah. YouTube end process. It's so you cannot open this page. Okay. When already, if you reload this page, it show you again. Yeah. Okay, this is how to know about task manager on your Google Chrome. You can show profile, show memory, show something that you want to show. Okay, on this script cards on this. Okay, you can know about your website that you want to open and make your scroll slowly or your computer starts. Okay, thank you for this video.